Hello. Okay, so now I want you to do a productive writing task. So with the auxiliary, the modal verbs that we were using before, I want you to write 5 example sentences. So with this task, are you speaking or writing?
Writing.
And what are you using in the sentences?
Modal verbs.
Okay, so 2 minutes and just write them, and then we'll do feedback in a minute. Okay. I've got them up here as well if you want to have a look at them just as examples of the modal verbs. No. That's working. Okay, so could you give me an example of a sentence with a modal verb in?
Yeah. I can play the drums.
Okay. Yeah, good. So with that one, is that an obligation or is it an ability of yours?
Ability.
Yeah. And you see with that, as we were saying before, you've got 2 verbs. You've got play the drums, and can. And another example?
I must have the flu, as I don't feel well.
Yeah. So with that one, is that ability or is it evidence?
It's evidence.
Yeah. So as we were saying before, with must, based on the evidence, you don't feel well, so you must have the flu. And again, so the main verb there is have the flu, and must modifies that. Okay. And another example?
I'm tired, so I must sleep.
Yeah. So that one, is that an ability or an obligation?
I've got obligation.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's something you have to do. Everyone has to sleep, don't they?
Yeah.
And again, you sleep, that's the main verb, and must modifies that verb. Okay. So that's the end of the sample lesson.